Load your family into the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call